Hello everybody, 2000 Trains here. Today we're at Clapham Junction. Because of the coronavirus, I'm not doing any train spotting. What I'll be doing today is a journey video on one of the junior bus sets. So the 458-5s or dash whatever. You take your pick. I was hoping to catch one of the fast services on platform 7, aka the magical platform where you can catch your fast services, so your 444s, your 450s, which you can catch on this end of the world, but they're much more common on platform 7 if you're coming into London Waterloo, as we have what name should I give these trains? I cannot get the numbers, but what name should I give them? Well, since they have the livery that resembles the 455s and 455s resemble Shazam, as we have the Southern Angel going up. The Southern Angel is going to London Victoria, and there's another Southern Angel coming in. Look, I said I wasn't going to train spot, so let me just skip to the part when my train actually comes in. And sorry I don't get the nickname, but there we are. Alright, coming in is my train to London Waterloo. This is worked by 458-527. The rear I wouldn't know, but that doesn't matter because all I'm doing is taking this train all the way from Clapham Junction to London Waterloo. We'll be calling it London Waterloo only. So sit back, relax, and beautiful horn from a 444 or a 450. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And we're on the move. That's 458. That's 458-512.
This train is for London Waterloo.
A double header of 455s. A double or triple header of 450s. This is a double header of 455s. And we're passing over the viaduct that takes the Southern trains over to London Victoria. This is Queenstown Road. And we're passing over the bridge that the Southwestern Railway passes over from London Victoria. The old Eurostar trucks over here. double header of 458s, sorry. And this is Vauxhall. We have a double header of 455s plus a singular 456. Lieutenant Southwest is going through. A 10 car formation. Double header of the 707s. Still haven't thought of a nickname for it, but there we are.
This train is now approaching its final stop, London Waterloo.
We have Super Train coming into the station. Yep, so here I am at London Waterloo. Thank you guys for watching this video, it's greatly appreciated. If you like what you've seen today, then please like and subscribe. And feel free to... Oh, what was I saying? Blah, blah, blah. Let me move somewhere where I'm not in the crowd of people. Yep, so like I was saying, if you like what you've seen today, then please like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you keep up to date with the content that I'll be putting up onto YouTube. as I was gonna catch the number of the super train next to the Junior Plus set, 450025, 4558, 536. Boom. So, my opinion on the 458, they're very good trains. I like the way it goes over the joints and the points. It just sounded like music to my ears, to be honest. It was an enjoyable ride. And the 458s are very comfortable. So Yowie, I feel your pain when the 701s are going to take over. Hashtag cheap plastic from Tesco Express. So, like I said, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and more videos. So until you hear from me, 2000 trains, I'll see you later. Peace out, guys, and take care.